Hi everyone, it's Agnieszka from 5 Minute Language. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. So today I'm coming to you with a course review, and the course I'm going to be reviewing is Olly Richards French Uncovered. So French Uncovered is basically part of a series of courses that Olly has produced, and is a course for those who are at beginner or upper beginner level who are learning French. So you may have heard about Olly Richards. He's basically got a blog and a podcast and a YouTube channel as well. And he has produced those courses to encourage people to learn through story and learn through reading. The kind of method that he's using is learning concepts, learning grammar directly from context, and learning new vocabulary organically so that you kind of absorb it almost subconsciously when you're reading the stories, but there's more to it than that, and I'm going to go into it in a second. So the approach that's used in French Uncovered is a type of immersion, and I think, I am personally very much in favor of reading and reading extensively. And I've said in my previous videos that reading should really constitute the majority of the learning you're doing, but it should be active reading, not just reading for the sake of it, but reading in a way that encourages you to sort of actively learn. And French Uncovered is just that. It's a type of immersive course that basically uses reading to present you with different concepts. So instead of learning the rules, the theories, you kind of see the grammar rules in practice, and instead of learning kind of vocabulary lists off by heart, you see that vocabulary and you learn it organically from context as well, which is an interesting approach. So of course you can do language immersion by yourself. You can do that through reading books, reading novels, reading news stories, watching Netflix shows. You can really surround yourself with French if you're learning French in that way. But the problem with that is that the language level will be too challenging for you, especially if you're a beginner or an upper beginner, which is what French Uncovered is aiming at. So the kind of approach that Olly uses is basically simplifying that language. And I've spoken in my previous videos about things like simplified novels, for example, which I really recommend to learners of different languages, and you can find that in French. I think the advantage of getting a course that kind of uses reading as the main kind of basis of the learning is that the stories are there already. And you don't have to kind of go searching for things. It consists of 20 different chapters, and there's a story that kind of follows from chapter 1 to chapter 20. There's an element of mystery, which is again quite a motivating factor, because you keep reading because you want to find out what happens next. And that's kind of the motivating factor behind reading any kind of novel or simplified novel, except in this case it's a lot of material. It's over 20 chapters. So you're kind of encouraged to continue to read and find out what happens at the end. So each chapter is kind of accompanied by lots of different resources. There are instructional videos from Olly or from another tutor who produced the course with Olly, kind of talking you through the different grammar points or vocabulary points or pronunciation points mentioned in that chapter. There are also guidance notes, so you will be able to kind of read a little bit about the language that's used in each chapter, which is great. And those are the kind of elements of active learning. So you're not just reading the stories and translating them or learning the vocabulary. You've got some guidance as well that goes with it. So you've got the instructional videos and the guidance notes as well. The stories are also recorded, so you can read them and you can listen to them at the same time, which is again beneficial and something that doesn't really tend to come with simplified novels. Usually when you get a simplified novel, it's just there in written form, but I think combining reading and listening is a really good approach, and that's something I talk about a lot in my videos about learning languages through Netflix or YouTube, is that you should be using subtitles, for example, to read the language and hear the language at the same time. So French Uncovered offers you that. You've got the videos, the writing, and then the instructional material as well. There are also practice exercises included in each chapter. And the practice exercises focus on speaking as well as other aspects of language, which is quite interesting because usually in those types of courses you get sort of grammar or vocabulary exercises, which is great, or reading exercises where you're asked different questions about the text that you've just read. So there is an element of kind of speaking, which encourages you to put the language that you're learning into practice. And that's really great because as a beginner or as a language learner in general, it's really difficult to come up with a speaking activity for yourself other than just finding somebody to talk to and just having a conversation. So it's always a challenge. It's always been a challenge for me to come up with those ideas. You know, what do I do? How can I practice speaking? So you've got some instructions there for speaking activities that you can do. There's several different examples and you can kind of go through them as you go through the chapters. So another thing about French Uncovered is that it follows quite a scientific approach. The methodology is based on science. It's based on research that's been done into learning, and that covers obviously the approach with the 4 different stages of learning. So you learn something, you kind of discover it, you internalize it, and then you practice it in speaking. That's why the speaking element is included as well. But also the fact that people learn really well through story. And that's something that applies to language learning, but also other disciplines. When you are told stories, when you are shown stories, you are more interested in the material, but you also engage in the learning a little bit more. So it's great to know that the approach is based on scientific research into this area. Another thing I was going to mention is that there are translations of the stories included with them as well. So you can read them in English, you can compare the translations, which is another useful activity when doing reading. So it's great, you can read it in French and you can read it in English and then kind of compare the language to understand what's going on. There is a social aspect to the learning when you follow the French Uncovered course. So there are forums, there are comments underneath each kind of section, and you can interact with other people. You can interact with other learners and also with the tutors, which is great. So I've seen people kind of ask questions and there's a tutor who answers the questions as well. So it's great that you have the opportunity to kind of engage in that way as well, rather than just kind of following the course by yourself and not having any interaction. The only kind of disadvantage I would say is that you are not really actively encouraged to share anything, and I think, you know, sharing as a learner is a very important aspect because it encourages you to reflect on your learning, and it encourages you to kind of think actively and put your learning into practice. So if I was to recommend something to Olly, I would say involve that kind of element in the social aspect. So encourage people to share, encourage people more to kind of interact with other people as well. And I think that could be really beneficial. Another kind of disadvantage I was going to mention is to do with PDF attachments in the course. So obviously if you're interested in kind of accessibility on the internet, you will know that PDF files are not accessible. So for somebody who has got any kind of accessibility needs, such as, you know, using a screen reader, for example, having to zoom in on a mobile device, it's a struggle. And you know, there are a lot of PDFs in the course, but a lot of the content is also presented in the web page, which is great. But that's nothing to do with the methodology or the approach or the course content itself. It's more the platform that it uses. And I know that the platform, because it's the same platform I use for my own courses, it's something that is kind of built into that platform. So to sum up, in terms of good things about French Uncovered, like I say, the reading approach, the story-based approach is great. The fact that you get a lot of kind of instructional material in addition to the stories is also great. The speaking activities, you know, the fact that you don't have to go searching for your own speaking activities, but they're presented to you there, is also fantastic. And the social interaction with the tutors, or the ability to ask questions, is also brilliant. In terms of disadvantages, like I said, there is a lack of this kind of more active element of participation for the learners. So I would want to see learners being more encouraged to kind of contribute themselves, and also the PDF attachments can be an issue for people with accessibility needs. But other than that, I think it's a great course, and if you are interested, you can have a look at the link in the description box and check it out. So I hope you enjoyed this review and found it useful. Let me know if you want me to review any other courses or products, and I would be happy to do that. And I'll see you next time. Bye!